Here are 2 ways that can make you 99% more handsome, help you glow up, and become more attractive to women. These methods are easy to do, and you can start them right after watching this video. Make sure to watch until the end, because the second point is the most important. Let's dive right in. 1. Fix what can be fixed. Everyone has flaws, and these flaws can be divided into 2 categories, those that can be fixed and those that can't. If you want to become 99% more handsome, the first task is to identify the flaws you have right now. Start with the basics. Are you at an ideal weight? Do you stand straight, or are you hunched over? Is your skin clear or dirty? If you're too skinny, have poor posture, or suffer from bad skin, these are things you can fix. All it takes is determination and consistency. You need to commit to working out at least 4 times a week and consistently using basic skincare like face wash and sunscreen every day. If you can do these 2 things, you'll definitely start glowing up and becoming more good-looking. After watching this video, stand in front of a mirror and identify the flaws that have been hurting your confidence. If they can still be fixed, start working on them now. Now, what about the flaws you can't fix? The only way is to learn to love them and embrace who you are. For example, if you were born short or with darker skin, these are things you can't change. You need to adopt the mindset that accepts these traits. Remember that you're not the only short person in the world, and there are people even shorter than you who are still confident. Even if you have a flaw you can't change, like being short, it won't matter as long as you're able to project confidence. Believe me, no one will notice if you carry yourself confidently. 2. Improve technique. This is an advanced technique that you can only apply once you've tackled the first point. So take it step by step. Work on point 1 first before moving on to this. Once you've fixed the flaws, you can control and accepted the ones you can't. Now it's time to improve your level of handsomeness through external means. For example, dressing stylishly and neatly, or choosing a trendy haircut that suits your face shape. These small changes can boost your attractiveness many times over. One of the most powerful improvement techniques, which has been proven to be extremely effective, is wearing perfume. Men from noble backgrounds have used this technique for ages. Wearing perfume doesn't just make you smell good, it also has psychological effects that can influence how others perceive you. With a pleasant scent, people will notice your presence. When they smell something good, they'll remember you. And because you smell great, people will associate you with cleanliness and good grooming. But this technique can be tricky. It can backfire if you choose the wrong perfume. For instance, wearing a strong scent under the hot sun when you're sweaty can lead to the opposite effect. People will find the smell overpowering and even feel nauseated. That's why it's important to understand the characteristics of the perfume you choose. Whether it's best suited for day or night, indoors or outdoors, and whether it works better in hot or cold weather. Even better, you should match the perfume to your personality. Some fragrances are perfect for quiet, mysterious men, while others suit active and dominant guys. Feel free to experiment with different scents to find one that suits you. You can also look up fragrance recommendations on YouTube. There are plenty of guides out there. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful.